Bubbles, you seem to be very concerned about these little things. It's the least of your problems.
So what is the big problem, sir?
Am I hearing right? Greetings, King. Oh my goodness, this is the way to treat a friend.
Yeah, it sure is my pleasure to be talking to you again. It's been a minute, don't it?
It has certainly been a minute. Oh my gosh. But you know what? I heard about the local community development outreach and restructuring that you basically initiated, and I definitely want to be a part of it.
King. Okay. Do you mind if we have a heart-to-heart conversation on the outside? Just for a minute.
Okay.
Well, the big problem is, for you concerned about what Savage a year, make him go and hear him one year. The big thing is that you need to find out who is following Whisper, and that the Lily girl. The Lily girl is safe.
So Shepherd, seeing that you're a spiritual advisor, right? You couldn't tell me who I follow Whisper.
Don't shout at me. As me did tell you, this man that is following Whisper, it look like maybe him himself. Get up! Because I can't seem to see a face. All I can see is a ball of fire. We look like a rolling calf.
Well, sir, we need to find out or arrange when we're gonna move Destiny.
Well, whenever I want to go and do it, just let me know. If you don't want me help, I will be there to help. Because I just want to make sure that when you're moving her, I am there and the food is there.
Alright, sir. The food is no problem. I will call you and let you know when we're going to do it.
Thank you very much for your time. And it felt like we were behind prison walls, communicating. So this feels a little bit better. It's all right? Mm-hmm. All right. So I want you to understand certain implications that are being thrown around in my mind. Are you aware? And I want you to, I don't think you do, but as a young person in the community who is, have a great mind and obviously a lot of potential to grow the community, you must be aware of the persons you are aligning yourself with. I am speaking to you not as a politician right now, but as a fellow Jamaican, a concerned citizen for your own welfare and your community. Now, the person that you are getting ready to do business with, to partner with, is very questionable and is a known criminal.
The caterers for delivering 50 lunches per week, and I am calling you to sort of secure a verbal commitment, if you will, to help in that regard, to foot that bill. There are some other things that yourself and your company Sykes Travel will be doing for us, but I think we will get to that in our next business conference, okay?
Hiding behind the facade of a community activist. He was deported some years ago, and I know for a fact that he's still very much involved in that lifestyle, organized crime and gang warfare. So I want you to be very conscious of who you're giving your talent to, because you don't want to be associated and having your name called with that kind of person.